Did you know that improper robot programming accounts for 35% of quality issues in automated manufacturing processes? And 30% of accidents involving industrial robots are due to improper programming. The inability to effectively program robots delays product development cycles by an average of 6 months. This gap impacts the manufacturing industry significantly, leading to slower production times, increased operational costs, and lower product quality. Let's see the current situation in North America. It is estimated that there is more than 200,000 open jobs in automation engineers, a 47% gap in robotic programmers, and a 35% gap in machine learning experts. Looking at increasing industrial technology adoption, this gap is only expected to increase by 2030. There are only 20 to 30 universities in the United States offering specialization in automation engineering and industrial automation. This figure needs to be double or tripled in coming times to close the skills gap. Currently, these are the top gaps in industrial automation. Programming, skills in languages like Python, C++, and ladder logic are required to program and maintain automated systems. Companies are finding it difficult to find talent with these skills. Control systems. There is a high demand for engineers who can design and manage control systems. Skills in PLC programming and SCADA systems are particularly lacking. System integration. The role of system integrators is crucial in bringing together different automation components like robotics, control systems, and other automated equipment into a cohesive system. If you are a manufacturing or a technology company experiencing issues due to skills gap, consider addressing this issue by focusing on professional automation training. By equipping the workforce with the necessary skills, we can bridge the gap and enhance manufacturing efficiency. Contact us to find the right automation training partners for your company.